Hello fellas, as you can see, I have the really well used Makita drill, and you won't believe it, the problem is the check. The check is just missing one job. It's no screw inside into this destroyed check. Maybe I will be able to tighten it. Yeah, seems that I have tightened it, and now what I will try to put the drill on the reverse mode and unscrew the chuck in that way. And as you can see, the chuck easily got out. I have nice chucks here. The metal one. You can just tighten. And of course I will try to find the screw for it. I have the old flathead screw with counterclockwise thread. Okay. Okay, so it's back to business again, and I hope it will last some time now. Thank you for watching. Bye.